Welcome back to another queer diary. Yes, unfortunately, my lash extensions are still giving Tweety Bird. And honestly, if they don't come off soon, I'm gonna rip them off. I'm just gonna do a quick little 10-15 minute face, and then we're gonna tackle the day. Y'all already know this is a rotten mango household. Cass is about to go to school. I've tried a lot of eyelash glues and this one is my favorite. It dries down so quickly and it doesn't get that white film that happens with American eyelash glues. Someone wants to say hi.
Hello, chickums. I'm so much more than any other dog I ever met.
Oh yes, Stretch. Oh, playing in my hair.
Oh, it's so hard to be a chicken.
Okay, friends, we're gonna be big girls and boys today and do things that I have been avoiding. The hair is clipped, which is how you know it's getting serious. I have been so focused on YouTube and editing recently that I've been kind of neglecting my short form content. So today I'm gonna do the voiceovers that I've been avoiding for, at this point, weeks now to motivate myself. If I finish doing all my voiceovers, I'm going to allow myself to make an order of a ton of products that I want for my office. I've been eyeing this polyester fake hanging cloud for over a decade, and now that I have a bigger office, it just feels like the right time to indulge. So let's get to it. This is the little mic I use for my voiceovers. I put off doing those voiceovers for weeks and weeks, but I finished it so quickly and it was so easy. Isn't that the way it always goes? I just pulled the trigger on all of my new office items. I put in the order!
Oh, yes, baby! Oh, fuck yeah.
So I'm very, very, very excited to decorate the office. And of course, I will show you guys everything. Now I'm quickly just gonna get some things done around the house, like laundry, and also I'm going to W-A-L-K the boy, because I always walk Cass to their train stop. Let's go. Does anyone else also get sick satisfaction from lint? Cass's outfit looks so good that I'm forcing them to show you guys. Come here, honey. Yes! They look like the main character in a dark academia novel. You look amazing. You flatter me. Okay, time for today's greatest challenge, leashing the boy. I had no idea that we had old rice in the rice cooker and I don't want to waste it. I think I'm gonna make a fried rice. Hopefully it won't kill me. I have no idea how long it's been here. It doesn't smell bad though, so. Cheers. So while Cass is at school, it's the perfect time to buy them even more anniversary gifts. If you watched my last vlog, you know that I have already bought Cass Sunny Angels. And Cass and I have recently made wish lists of just whatever little things that we may want. And there's something on Cass's wish list that was $120, but it's on sale today for $80. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy that for them. We have a shared Amazon, so hopefully they do not check what the orders are. But if they do, I hope you like your gift, honey. Oh my god! So major. Of course, honey. Cass wasn't supposed to see it, but like I said, we have a shared Amazon account, so.
Chicken, isn't that amazing? I don't like it.
Yeah, we should have used that money to buy you more toys.
Now that we've bought Cass presents, I'm actually in the middle of filming a what I eat in a week. And just to make it a little easier on myself, I'm gonna go ahead and marinate some of the proteins that I wanna make. I've been cooking a lot more Vietnamese dishes recently, and I've just realized how many of them require a lot of marination. Food for thought. But we're gonna be working with two of my favorite proteins today, quails and fish. Let's do it. You wanna use shallots, but I only have red onions, so we're making it work.
Welcome home, Cappy.
Thank you. Hi!
Cass is scolding me for working in the darkness.
This whole house is pitch black. It's not good for your eyeballs, huh?
I'm already blind. Cass is on their period, so of course that means they get to eat whatever they want. It is officially fall now in Boston, and it is so friggin' cold outside. So I put on a little beanie and just this sweater to make sure that I'm warm enough because we are walking to the Italian place. I've been editing from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So I'm very excited to be getting out of the house. Just like chicken. That's my boy! Oh, thank you. Really just brings my head. So good.
I love meatballs.
The lobster.
This is like area of heaven.
A little prince. I'm down. This is so crazy. Dance, chicken, dance!
Wish I had a cute headband.
Shut. Good morning, sugar. Oh my god, this is the best day ever! Yes! We're almost out of honey, and it's so expensive. Yay! Wow. I'll leave the rest for someone else. Amazing! Peppers? Oh my god! Bird's eye chilies? And cabbage? Whoa! I'm just so tired and sleepy today. I think my period's gonna start soon. Today, I really wanted to tackle things that I've been avoiding, namely my whole earring situation over here. It has been maybe 2 months since we've moved into this apartment, and I am still avoiding putting dozens, if not hundreds, of earrings up. And I figured if you guys were with me, it would make it a bit easier. I already know it's going to take hours. Honestly, I'm putting on makeup right now so that I could avoid this exact task and to get a little, you know, pretty for you guys. But I'll come back once the face is all done, and then we shall tackle dun 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 the earring wall. Makeup is on, and now we shall tackle my corner of bullshit. I always have a corner of bullshit in every single home that I've ever been in. Oh geez, I'm gonna need to get a ladder. Oh jeez. I can do this. You can do this. I can't do this, I'm so scared. I still have a lot more to go. Let's go eat breakfast. Cass is eating a white people breakfast, so I wanted no part in that.
That looks so pretty.
Thanks, honey. You guys, Popeye's delivered me something. Okay, I need a break from all of this and make myself a coffee. I don't know how the day got away from me, but it is 5 p.m. already. So Cass made me a matcha so that we can work with each other late into the night. Also, my nail ripped off. L's all around. Listen, I have never air fried quail before, so this might go terribly. Oh God, it's dripping. I wish you well, my little bird. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. We're onto something here. I'm gonna split its quailicy. Okay, let's try it. I'm so excited. I feel like a little medieval peasant eating it.
Fair enough.
A little game hen. Honestly, you guys, in Vietnam, we ate rat. And it reminds me of that.
Oh, how should I approach this? Girl.
There's bones, babe.
Fire.
It's good, huh?
What'd you marinate it in?
None of your business.
Fair enough.
Sugar,
Sugar.
fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Medieval peasants would literally lust for this meal.
They could never. I have been begging Ty to play a video game. Any video game.
I don't like to relax. What can I say?
Hates relaxing.
Yeah.
Hates chilling.
Mm-hmm.
Hates doing things alone. Question mark?
Yeah, I'm a little codependent. So what?
No, I just think you have a really, 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 really big quality time love language. So
I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I don't know what's going on. What is this all for? Will anyone ever even watch these videos? Am I just doing it all for nothing? Once again, in this video, I come to you in darkness. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. Thank you for joining me in my queer little life, and I will see you guys in the next Queer Diaries. Bye bye!